It's your boy Trey Dub, and welcome to Clones TV. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Like, comment, and share. Let's unbox the Nike Air Foamposite Anthracite. Finally, your boy hit on foams, man. Never, ever hit on foams, man. And I have a pair of foams, man, but my partner hit on Nike sneakers app for me, man, but I never, ever hit on foams, man. And I'm excited to be here doing the unboxing, all right? Let's get to it. Let's get to it. Ooh, woo, man. These are fire. Damn. What y'all think, man? These are clean. And black is my favorite color, y'all, man. I can rock these with about anything, man. These are clean. Let's get the other one. All right. That's it, man. Yeah, man. What y'all think? Hot, trash, these fire, man. Anybody say these trash, y'all tripping. These are fire. Wow. Man. Look at that. Oh, man. I just can't believe I had these here, man. I'm just so excited, y'all. But when it comes to Nikes, Foamposites are my favorite. They are my number one. Drop a comment and tell me y'all number one Nikes of all time. Foamposites are my number one Nikes of all time. Man, and I can't believe I don't have a lot of them. I can't believe it, man. I used to have the 2017 Raw Blue. Who remember that? The 2017 Raw Blue, man. And back then when I had those, I wasn't off into shoes like I am now. And I think I heard them out and I think I sold them. That was stupid. And I want them back. So I'm gonna try to get them on StockX. I'm gonna try to put a bid in on them. The Wolf Suede. I got those on GOAT, I think for about 2.5. And when they came in, the material, I was afraid of getting the material dirty, but that's another shoe I should have kept because the resale value on those, man, is sky high. Another Foamposite I had were the all over swoosh black. If you look at the resale value on those right now, I should have kept those. And I'm gonna be honest with you, I wasn't really feeling those like that. And I think I got those in size 11. I was size 11 and a half. So they were hurting my feet. I had to take the insole out. Now, these right here, metallic red, man. I tried to get these when they dropped, and I didn't hit on them. And my partner, for whatever reason, he hit on them, and he didn't even want them. And he said, "You want them?" I met up with him and gave him the money. And yeah, man, I told him I appreciate him. You a damn fool to get these up, but he ain't off on the Foamposite, so we were the same size, 11 and a half. So yeah, I met that boy, man. So yeah, appreciate you, Santiago. Thank you, man. So yeah, these are the only two phones I have in my collection right now, man. So, and I'm ashamed of myself that I don't have a lot of other phones. I remember when I first seen phones back in the day, man, when I was a youngster, man, I was like, damn, these are clean. But shit, Pops wasn't having it. Pops didn't believe in spending over $100 on tennis shoes. So shit, I had to go get a job, get my own shoes, you know. But I had these on one time to see Aries Spears. I went to see Aries Spears at the Improv. And that's the only time I had them on. Look at the bottom, they're clean. See that? Yeah, man, metallic red. All right, yeah, but these right here, man, I went on StockX and I seen these going for $278, size 11 and a half. The resale game just ain't the same no more like it used to be. I don't know, something happened after the pandemic, man, because I remember the resale game used to be crazy, man, but now the shoes you think that's flying off the shelf, and then you look at the resale value, man, you like, damn, you know, the resale value ain't doing nothing. But I think right now a lot of people ain't spending money like they used to. So I don't know, man, but I'm glad I got these, and if I didn't hit on them, you know, it is what it is, man. So, and I also have the LeBron 4 Anthracite coming too, and those should be here next week sometime. So we're gonna do a review on those too, all right? So let's go see how these look on feet. Let's go. Yeah, man, these foams, they feel good on feet, they look good on feet, and they true to size, man. Now, I hear some people, they go half size up on the foams, but for me, true to size. These foams, man, they dope, man. When I think about foams, I think about like a superhero outfit, like Batman, man. You know, that rubber, that tough premium material, the outfit, man. I don't know, man. And I scratched one of my old phones before, man. So I try my best not to scratch these, man. Because once you put a scratch on them, that's a wrap. Just like your patent leather lovers, man. But yeah, man. Another thing I like about these, you don't have to worry about the toe box creasing. You know, these shoes, they tough, man. They are built tough. And yeah, some people say they're uncomfortable. I think they are if you have them on for a long period of time, maybe, but they foams, man. I don't give a damn. So what say y'all? Are these hot? Are they trash? Did y'all get them or did y'all pass? Let your boy know down there in the comment section below. All right, I'm out. Peace.